Smoking the Peace Pipe, a journey into its meaning and usage. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language: smoke the peace pipe. This expression has a rich history and a unique place in English idioms, making it a fantastic subject for learners like you. So, let's dive into the origins, meaning, and how to use this phrase in everyday conversations. The phrase, smoke the peace pipe, originates from Native American traditions. Historically, indigenous tribes in North America would smoke a ceremonial pipe as a symbol of peace during negotiations or to seal agreements. The act of sharing the pipe among leaders of different tribes or groups was a deeply respected ritual, signifying trust and a mutual desire for peace. In contemporary English, to smoke the peace pipe is used metaphorically. It means to make peace with someone, to resolve a conflict, or to come to an agreement after a disagreement. The phrase embodies the spirit of reconciliation, suggesting that the parties involved are willing to put aside their differences in favor of harmony and mutual understanding. Using smoke the peace pipe in conversation is straightforward, but it's important to understand its context. It's suitable in formal and informal settings, though it carries a somewhat formal or literary tone. Here are a few examples. After months of disagreement, the two departments finally decided to smoke the peace pipe and work together on the project. It's time we smoked the peace pipe and moved past our differences. Remember, while this phrase is a colorful way to express reconciliation, its cultural origins should be respected. It's always good to be mindful of the context and the audience when using expressions derived from specific cultural practices. Smoke the peace pipe is more than just an idiom. It's a phrase with deep historical roots and a meaningful way to express the resolution of conflicts. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding of English expressions and their cultural significance. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.